In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Calendar sync errors in the easiest way possible. If you're experiencing issues with your Google Calendar not syncing as it should, don't worry. We have a series of simple solutions that you can try at home. Let's dive right in. First, let's start by checking your internet connection. This might seem obvious, but good connectivity is essential for the calendar app to function properly. Make sure that your Wi-Fi or mobile data is turned on and working. You can do a quick test by opening another app or website to ensure that your internet connection is active and stable. Next, refresh your Google Calendar app. To do this, open the Google Calendar app on your device. Tap on the menu icon, which looks like three horizontal lines situated usually at the top left corner of the screen. Scroll all the way down and then tap on the refresh button. This simple action can often solve minor syncing issues by forcing the app to reload and update its data. Another important step is to make sure that sync is turned on. Head over to Settings on your device, then tap on Accounts. Choose Google and select the account you are using for your calendar. Once there, ensure that the option for calendar sync is toggled to on. If it's off, just switch it on to enable your calendar to sync automatically. If you are using an Android device, a helpful step is to clear the cache and data for the calendar app. Go to Settings again, open the Apps menu, and select Calendar. Tap on Storage, then Clear Cache, and if needed, you can tap on Clear Data as well. Don't worry, your events are safely stored in the cloud and will restore once the app syncs again. Now check if all necessary calendars are visible. Open the calendar app and tap on the menu icon. Go to Settings, choose your account, and make sure that the calendar you want to sync is visible with a check mark next to it. Moving on, you should ensure the app is updated. Go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, search for Google Calendar, and update it to the latest version. Updates often contain fixes for bugs, including syncing issues. If you're still having trouble, try removing and re-adding your Google account. Navigate back to Settings, then Accounts, and select Google. Remove the account, restart your device, and then add the account back on. As a final resort, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling the Google Calendar app. Remove the app from your device, restart your device, and then download it again from your App Store. This gives the app a fresh start and can solve persistent problems. As a quick tip for those using Google Calendar on a desktop, you might want to try clearing your browser's cache and cookies. Additionally, logging out and logging back into your Google account or using a different browser entirely can sometimes help resolve syncing issues. And there you have it. Follow these steps and you should be able to fix any Google Calendar sync errors. Thanks for watching, and if these tips were helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials.